Welcome to Kids in the Kitchen, brought to you by the Lone Star College Tomball Community Library. Today we will make pan cookies. Pan cookies are just chocolate chip cookies made in a pan. Pan cookies are my favorite dessert, and I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. Here's what you'll need: flour, baking soda, salt, 2 sticks of butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. Feel free to pause and take a screenshot of this recipe. First, let your butter sit until it's soft. Then, add in the vanilla extract. Add your eggs. Then add your white and brown sugar on top and mix these ingredients. In another bowl, add in flour, baking soda, salt, and mix. Then you'll slowly add the dry mix to the rest of the ingredients. Finally, it's time to add the chocolate chips and mix it all together. Now spread the dough in a greased pan. Bake at 350 for 25 to 35 minutes. Baking time depends on pan size and your oven, but they should be a golden brown on top when they're finished. I suggest cutting them into squares after they cool and enjoying them with a glass of milk. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for another Kids in the Kitchen.